In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Appwrite Password. We'll walk through the exact clicks inside the Appwrite Cloud console so you can update your password quickly and securely. This process covers changing your password from within your account settings, which is what you'll use when you know your current password. First, sign into the Appwrite Cloud console in your browser. Once you're in, head to the Organizations area. You can start from any screen in the console, but the Organizations view makes it easy to access your profile controls because the top navigation is always visible. Look to the top right corner of the page for your profile avatar or initials. Click that profile icon to open a small menu. From this menu, choose Account. This takes you to your personal account settings where you can manage your profile, security, and authentication details. On the account page, find the password section. This is where you'll update your credentials. You'll see a field for your current password and a field for your new one. Start by typing your current password exactly as it is. This step confirms that it's really you making the change. Next, enter your new password. Aim for a strong passphrase. Longer is better. A good approach is to combine several unrelated words with a mix of numbers or symbols. Avoid reusing passwords from other sites and consider using a password manager to generate and store a unique, complex option. If the console highlights any requirements like minimum length or character types, make sure your new password meets them before proceeding. When your current and new passwords are in place, click Update. The console will process the change and show a confirmation when it's successful. If you see an error, double-check your current password for typos and ensure your new password satisfies any complexity rules. You can always reveal the password temporarily in the field if there's an option to verify what you've typed. After updating, you may be prompted to sign in again on some devices or sessions, depending on your security settings. That's normal and helps protect your account. Keep your new password somewhere safe, and if you're using a password manager, save the updated entry right away so you don't lose it. That's all there is to it. Open the console, use the profile menu to access account, go to password, enter your current password, set a new secure one, and click Update. If you've forgotten your current password entirely, use the standard Forgot Password recovery from the sign-in page instead. Thanks for watching, and keep your account secure by updating passwords regularly.